In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Kraken V3 Pro to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Razer Kraken V3 Pro headset on your Xbox One console is extremely straightforward. Even though the Razer Kraken V3 Pro works with your Xbox One or any newer gen Xbox console such as Xbox Series S or X, there is one big limitation. You will only be able to do this through a wired connection. As it stands today, Xbox consoles do not support USB headsets and they don't support them wirelessly. So you will only be able to do this by using a wired connection. This will be primarily done with the aux cable. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the 3.5mm cable into the headset itself and then another one into any of the available 3.5mm audio jack ports on your Xbox One console. Usually this will be plugged into the controller itself. And once it is plugged in, all of the audio being output from your Xbox One console will go over to the Razer Kraken V3 Pro instead. Like I said, it is unfortunate that you cannot do this wirelessly or through a USB connection because it would be way more convenient. So as it stands today, the only option that you have will be the 3.5mm audio jack cable. Once it is properly connected though, it should be plug and play. So make sure that the headset is powered on, set up accordingly, and you will be able to plug the microphone and get ready. If it doesn't work, then sadly, the best course of action would be to acquire a different headset model altogether. Usually, there are Razer headset models designed for Xbox specifically, and for those ones, you will be able to connect them even more easily, either through a USB connection or a dongle designed specifically for the Xbox consoles. Because the Kraken V3 Pro does not have the functionality needed by the console, you will only be able to do it with the aux cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Kraken V3 Pro to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.